I wish I would have had more sex in high school. Like, somebody would have done something to me if I would have been bold enough to try to find it. Do you know what I mean?
We had no out people in my high school, not one.
But my friend who I went to high school with, he was openly gay.
Yeah.
And he had all kinds of guys hooking up with him because they knew he was
He was the
gay.
Yeah, he like jacked me off.
Why didn't I do that?
Yeah.
Like,
Internalized homophobia.
I guess it's fear, right?
Fear.
Like
Looks like fear
Can I
got
tell
the
you?
best of you.
Shut up. I have had hookups and sex with so many straight men. Nobody's more excited to have sex with me in my experience than the men who aren't gay.
Yeah, I wish anybody would have sex with me. When I open Grindr sometimes at home, and it is just embarrassing. It is so humbling how I'll be like, certainly somebody's gonna just say no.
It's all fans, girl.
That's all I get. It's like ILY.
It's all corrupt, girl.
It's all corrupt. It's all corrupt.